Hello and welcome to my shop. Today we're gonna talk about bandsaws because I bought yesterday, actually, or picked up yesterday, this baby here. This is a Jet 18-inch woodworking bandsaw, which I picked up from a government auction. And I guess I'm a tool hoarder. Yes and no. I already have two of them. One is a 20-inch, one is a 14-inch, and now this one is a 18-inch. And at least one of them needs to go, but I don't know which one. So maybe you can help me out and tell me in the comments after we review them a little bit which one I should keep, which one I should throw away. And with this thing here, I'm drinking coffee. I'm actually referencing three things. One is a French woodworker, one is an American woodworker, and one refers to my past because of this logo here. I worked with them a little bit when I was a lot younger, and I'm an aerospace engineer by trade, so this is my favorite mug. But let's go back to woodworking. If you actually find who I'm talking about, the American woodworker and the French woodworker, let me know in the comments. Alright, let's now dig into the bandsaws. So this is it. This is the newest acquisition. So this is a Jet 18-inch woodworking bandsaw. It's a 1.5 horsepower single phase 115 volt model number JWBS-18. It seems like this is made in Taiwan. Here's the table. So the table has some surface rust, some nicks here, but it's not bad overall. You can see in my hand there, looks like it's nasty. Some glue spots. I need some cleaning. The guides here are pretty interesting to me. I've never seen those. Actually, both of my other bandsaws have bearings like that on top. This is cool because you can adjust and then lock with this. So that's pretty nice. Here, for the door, this knob is actually broken, so I need to find a replacement for this. And if you open the door, so it's a 133-inch band, and inside looks pretty clean. It rolls pretty good. There's some a bit of rubbing, but that's normal. I need to work on it. The rails seem okay. I don't have a fence for it. And here in the bottom, the knob is missing too. That's why we put a piece of tape here. And if you open it, it's been worked. That was from the school, by the way, so it's been used by students. I don't know how much, but there's a little bit of I guess it is rust. I'm not sure if it's wood dust or rust. I need to clean it up to make sure, which I'll do next. But anyway, I need to find the two knobs for the bottom and for the top. Other than that, it looks to be in pretty decent shape. So let's plug it and see if it works. We'll find out. So it seems like it's working, but it's shaking a little bit. I guess it needs some tuning here to avoid this. I don't know. If you have any experience with this, let me know. Both of my other bandsaws don't do that, so maybe I need to replace something. I need to find out. So this one is my first baby. This one, as you can see, is Rockwell Delta 20-inch, 2 horsepower, I believe. Well, actually, I don't remember how many horsepower. I need to look it up. But this one has been great. So 20-inch. If you want to look inside, sorry, it's a bit dirty because I used it for pretty much anything, but mainly resawing. As you can see, it's a 1-inch blade. I replaced the tires. That's pretty much all I did on this. Oh, and now I upgraded the guides here for bigger blades. And this thing works great. Works great for metal and anything else really. So I love this thing. 20-inch works great. I didn't have a fence for it, so I made myself one, and I have this to make sure I push the wood onto a fence. So when I resaw, it works great. 3-phase, unlike the other one, this one's 3-phase, and I have a 3-phase converter, so I don't have any issues. It's hooked up to a shop vac in the back, and yeah, it's a workhorse. It works great. What can I say? I like this thing. I'm not gonna start it, but trust me, it works. And I need to clean the blade too. It's full of gunk. Need to do that. Just being lazy. And finally, this one here, it's a Powermatic 14-inch, and it is almost brand new. I bought it at an auction, and I don't think this thing has even been used more than once or twice. As you can see here, there's still the plastic on top of the wire for the lamp here, and this thing works. As you can see, it's 110 single phase. I'll give you more specs in here below because I don't remember, but this is a tiny machine I bought for very cheap, and I'm using this with a 1/2-inch blade for tighter turns. So mainly all the small work I do with this, and all the resawing I do with the other one you just saw a minute ago. Yeah, so these are the 3 bandsaws. So Jet 18-inch, Powermatic 14-inch, and Delta Rockwell 20-inch. Now 3 of them is a bit excessive, and I want to keep only 2. Question is, which one do I throw away? I have an idea, but help me out. Put your opinion in the comments here for me, and I'll take a look at it. Thank you. So this is a really small or short video because, to be honest with you, I did not have much time with my work. So I just wanted to fill you in with what happened here at the shop, which is not much, but I bought this, not this one, but the other one you saw, the bandsaw. And I wanted to post something for you guys, and you can help me out too. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll catch you later on the next one. What's up, babe? You wanna be on camera? Huh? Yeah? Yeah, you're a good doggy. Yeah.